Welcome back to our Zodiac room series. We are in Leo season. We just came from Cancer, and Leo falls right in the middle of summer. And I just learned that Leo is known as the king of the Zodiac, which is so fitting because their symbol is a lion. Right. So
King of the jungle.
King of the jungle.
Yes. Leo means lion.
Yes. This totally looks like a lion's den to me. It's just very masculine and bold and warm and very earthy too.
Right. So Leos are adventurers. They like to go and explore, but they also need a place to chill. And I feel like this space definitely has this
It's cozy.
Right, calming. So I like that lion's den reference where they're kind of recharging.
I look at the space and think of the chunkiness.
Yes.
You know, they love wood. Wood is a good grounding piece for them. So we have a nice representation of wood throughout this space.
Yes.
Along with fire.
Fire, right, because Leo is the second fire sign.
Yeah.
And also wood fuels fire.
Yeah.
So they'd prefer wood over metals for the elements. And so speaking of fire, their ruling planet is the sun, which also totally makes sense for a Leo because Leos love to be the center of attention. And if you think of the sun, it's the center of the planets.
Right.
Yes.
Of our galaxy.
Exactly.
I like that we've used these two rings, the ring of fire,
Yes.
if you will,
Oh,
and
yeah,
the
yeah.
sun,
Very
that
cool.
kind of element,
Absolutely.
tied it in here. We have some great round pieces throughout this space too.
And I think it's really balanced between the wood and metal. We consulted with our videographer that you can't see. He's a Leo. We asked him how he liked the space, and he did say he prefers the wood tones, but he likes the balance of both wood and metal, and I think this space is done really well.
Oh.
Right. So they cherish the sun. So we have seen these the round shapes, but also the touches of fire, the fireplace, and in a Leo's home, this is their shrine.
Right.
Also these pyramids, what we learned back in Aries is those triangle shapes are representations of fire. So I love these pyramids here.
And it ties in so well with the vases we have here, that metallic gold fire in those, and it carries right through both of our pieces of wall art here. We have wood frame.
Yes.
So you've got the wood piece, but it's framed nicely with some of these great gold accents. And you'll see those throughout this space. And gold, like we've talked about, is also the color, the spirit color for Leo. So it's appropriate that you've got so much gold in the rug here, throughout that space. So it's important to think in terms of that.
Well, and because Leos are royalty. You think of lions, you have royalty. I want to point out this chair. So in a Leo space, they're gonna want a chair or a throne, if you will, right? Because this home is their castle. And so they want this most comfortable chair. And I love this specific chair. It's a leather chair. And it's in this warm caramel brown color, which is kind of like a lion's mane.
Yeah, totally. Can fit right in.
Yeah.
They can blend right into the chair.
That's right.
And it makes sense that they need a throne, this one. It reclines and it swivels, so.
It's the perfect chair.
Yep.
And then one more thing too. So lions come from the jungle. So we'll probably find something that reminds us of jungle-esque things.
Yes, like these baskets.
Perfect.
The texture I think is great and really is organic looking and just represents the outdoors.
Absolutely. I love that. And so because Leos are the king of the zodiac, their expectations of a home is like a castle. And so they want to be treated like royalty. They want to be the center of attention. I really feel like this home has that masculine, rich looking, expensive vibe to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they want nice things.
Yes.
And you're right, this room looks expensive. It looks high end. Just like the overall warmth is really nice.
I also read they're like hard workers and not afraid to spend their money on nice things.
I know a Leo, and I can vouch for that. We're so happy that you decided to join us again in our Zodiac Rooms series as we wrap up the Leo season, and we are going to be entering Virgo. So looking forward to see how that space wraps up. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at afw.com or in store.
Happy birthday, Leos!